This, again, did you do this? Did you do this?
Did you do that?
Did you do this? This is Halloween decoration. It's not your toy. Stop it. I'm going to go put it back. Let me see if you did it. Ellie. Ellie. That is not your toy. It's a Halloween decoration. Give it to me. Do not touch it. Again, do you understand? You touch it, I'm going to pull your teeth. I'm going to put it back over here. I'll watch you. I'm watching you very closely. Ellie.
That's not your toy.
Ellie. Ellie, that is not your toy. Do not touch the cat. I'm watching you now. Again. Ellie. What don't you understand? What don't you understand? That's not yours.